are here at IndiaWood 2026 celebrating the second day with CAD+D. With us we have Mr. Shanmugam, the sales manager of CAD+D Solution India Pvt. Limited. So sir, how's the show going on and what are the most innovative products that you are showcasing here that's attracting the attention of the visitors?
Okay, so thanks for the intro. So I am working for CAD+T almost 2 years, and which in this IndiaWood show, this is the third time I was having this IndiaWood show in Bangalore. So previously I've done it in Bangalore 2024 and Delhi 2025. This is 2026, third time. So we are introducing the product called as Vian from CAD+T, and additionally we have EOS software, which is mainly of ERP, which is the people wants to make the output on a enterprise resource planning. This is the two major products we are giving it in 2026. And we are giving a solution from interior design till the production output. The people can able to easily trackable of their productions.
How do you measure the effectiveness of the show, especially when it comes to India?
Yeah, so the thing is, it's mainly concentrated on Indian customers. So we got so many leads, that is, we can able to provide a good solutions to the specific customers. So that only we have opened office in 2024. By seeing the potential of Indian, all the customers, we given a solution from interior design to the production. So our concept is, don't need to do a rework. Once the design is started, from the design it has to complete it to the production part. So which we are giving a support for 3-axis to 5-axis version from our core design of a CAD+T software.
How do you see the Indian market as a promising opportunity for the woodworking industry, and what do you think the challenges are for the company?
So promising in the sense which we seen in this 2 years, which my field work, the customers is facing on different softwares, but they cannot able to get the connection with the machines. So we are here to give a connection to the machines to complete their process as a seamless workflow. So that's the main core which we are seeing as a challenges from the customer side, and we are providing that solution from CAD+T. Addition to that, the potential market, if you see from Middle East, some of the customers has been making a design from India itself. So the people, the employees is easily we can get it available on the market, and the output also is little bit faster of Indian employees. So that's another benefit for the other countries. They are doing all the outsourcing jobs from India, so that the people are looking for more software which can be able to give you the easy access from the design to the production.
What are the most recent innovations that you are focusing on according to the Indian needs?
Yeah, so right now we are concentrating on the bespoke furnitures, but additional requirements on the customers for the claddings. So we are working on that also, but that is in the roadmaps. Example, I can say the companies, they are using it as SketchUp. So right now we are giving solution with the Autodesk, but we are working with the SketchUp also to get the output from the same seamless workflow from Autodesk products. We are working with the SketchUp to get the outputs.
Okay, thank you sir, and we wish you all the best for the upcoming.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for